Are you looking for the best printer for Waterslide decals? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Epson Workforce WF7710 Best Printer for Decals. You can use this machine both wired and wirelessly. You can connect it to different devices through Wi-Fi, Ethernet. It also offers NFC option to render you more flexibility. Other than that, it allows printing directly from different cloud storages. This machine is furnished with 4x DURA Bright Ultra ink cartridges to deliver you durable and vibrant printouts. On the top its 4800 by 2400 dpi resolution ensures that your Waterslide decals are captured with details. This printer can be used with media from 3.5x5 up to 13x19. It has an input tray that accommodates 250 sheets. The output tray allows a maximum of 125 sheets. Furthermore, its rear feed will save you from a lot of hassle when you work with specialty media. The machine is also equipped with an automatic document feeder that can hold 35 sheets at once. The print speed of this machine is pretty decent. It can replicate 18 grayscale ppm or 10 colorful ppm. It lets you scan any picture or document with 1200 by 2400 dpi. So, if you like a design for your decals, you can scan them anytime you want. That too with utmost clarity. The monthly print limit of this machine is 20,000 pages. Nevertheless, the suggested number is 1,300 pages. At number 2. HP OfficeJet 5255 Best Printer for Making Decals. To deliver you the finest printouts, the machine is equipped with both a pigment and a dye-based ink system. Moreover, it offers 4800 by 1200 dpi resolution. Hence, your Waterslide decals are going to be replicated flawlessly. The printer processes your first black print in just 16 seconds. At this rate, you get 10 black printouts every minute. As for colored ones, its speed drops to 7 ppm. The scanning resolution of this magnificent printer is 1200 x 1200 dpi. Its external color depth is 24-bit. So, your digitized copies will be full of vibrancy. This printer accepts a wide range of papers. Some of them are HP matte brochure, plain paper, other photo inkjet papers, other glossy inkjet papers, other matte inkjet papers, HP glossy brochure, HP matte presentation paper, light/recycled papers. You can easily set up this machine with a bit of help from the HP Smart app. The printer can be connected to different devices via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. The HP Smart app again proves to be beneficial when it comes to direct printing from cloud storages and social media. The printer also supports HP ePrint, Apple AirPrint, Mapria. At number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 8025. HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 is a remarkable printer that was designed to boost up your productivity. You can smoothly print, copy, scan and fax with this all-in-one printer. This machine can be used wired as well as wirelessly. For a wireless connection, you need to count on Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi Direct. It also features Apple AirPrint, HP Smart, Apple AirPrint, Google Print Service, Mapria. As a brownie point, it comes with self-healing Wi-Fi to reward you with a steady so that your workflow is not disrupted. To print your colored Waterslide decals with intricacy, this machine comes with 4800 by 1200 dpi print resolution. On the other hand, when it comes to monochrome decals, it offers you 1200 by 1200 dpi. This printer will not make you wait much. It can duplicate 20 black pages or 10 color pages in a minute. The scanning resolution of this stellar machine is 1200 x 1200 dpi. It also has direct scanning facility to Google Drive, email, Dropbox, or any cloud storage to eradicate your reliance on your desktop's memory. HP's Smart Tasks shortcuts can assemble your repetitive tasks 5-0-stir. It lessens the number of steps while doing monotonous works. It can also assort your digital receipts and documents as well as sync them to Google Drive or QuickBooks. At number 4. Canon 2986C002 Pixma TS6220. The next entry in this section is Canon Pixma TS6220. This all-in-one printer is perfect for small business or home use with its efficiency and remarkable resolution. The 3 LCD touchscreen of this printer is easily navigable. You can connect it to your host devices via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. A USB connection is also possible. Apart from them, it supports Mopria Print Service, Apple AirPrint, PicBridge, and Google Cloud Print. The printer is endowed with 5 individual ink tanks to provide you with some of the most vivacious decals. But do not worry, it will not dry out your bank balance. If you run out of one color, you will not purchase an entire set but only that particular one. Moreover, its 4800 by 1200 dpi print resolution makes sure that your Waterslide decals turn out to be impeccable. This proficient printer paces at the rate of 15 black IPM or 10 color IPM. This machine comes with some useful software to help you work effectively. To name a few: Canon Creative Park Premium, Auto Photo Fix, Quick Menu, Canon Easy Photo Print Editor, Canon Network Tool, Canon My Printer. At number 5. Canon Pixma MG3620. Our next pick is Canon MG3620. This compact inkjet printer comes with diverse connectivity options. You can copy, scan and fax with this machine apart from printing. This printer can be connected to your host devices via Wi-Fi. It also features NFC. Some of its other wireless facilities include Canon Print, Google Print Service, AirPrint, Mopria, PicBridge. If you prefer a USB connection, you may go for that as well. Moreover, this machine produces smudge-proof outcomes. So, you can relish good as new decals for a long time. This printer has a decent speed. It prints 9.9 black IPM or 5.7 color IPM. So, you do not have to wait much. As for scanning, it comes with a 1200 by 2400 dpi scanner. But if you need more detailing, you can accelerate the resolution to maximum 19200x 19200 dpi. This machine is compatible with a wide array of papers. It offers a paper tray that can accommodate 100 sheets to help you print without hassle. Some of its other notable features are Full HD movie print, borderless printing, quiet mode, red-eye correction, Auto Photo Fix 2, My Image Garden 8, image cropping, Easy Photo Print Plus, special filters, Pixma Cloud Link.